Sneeze Buddy Workspace Separation Panels by AmCraft Manufacturing. AmCraft Manufacturing fabricates a solution for employers to provide a clear work or activity space divider that can be hung between people when the 6 feet social distancing precautionary guideline is not possible. Sneeze Buddy Workspace Separation Panels are hung between people working next to each other, either on a production line or in an environment that requires duties to be performed within close proximity of other workers. AmCraft Manufacturing constructs these panels in custom heights and widths. The clear material is available in different thicknesses, in addition to added safety applications such as fire ratings, UV resistance, food grade, antibacterial protection, and more. Sneeze Buddy Workspace Separation Panels are hung using Grommets/Eyelets, which are available in brass or stainless steel. The bulk packing is handled with care to ensure that the panels aren't scratched or damaged during shipping. For a creative solution to your workplace social distancing challenges, hang AmCraft Sneeze Buddy panels between work or activity spaces. Please call us today if you need to create separation but still would like the ability to see the person smile on the other side.